Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are. I'm Reverend Gail Dobert, and I welcome you to Unity of Bay City, to our wonderful podcast, Now What? Unity of Bay City is dedicated to all those who are seeking to discover their spiritual path and who strive every day to bring goodness and love into our beautiful world. How do we do that? We grow together as we discover and practice positive practical tools for our own personal and collective spiritual growth. No matter where you are on your life's journey, you are so very welcome here.
Hello and welcome to Now What? My name is Scott Love and I will be your host as we explore the interesting and magical world of Gail's mind. All right, so how you doing today, Gail?
I'm better than I was a little while ago.
Excellent. Laughter is wonderful, magical. Yeah. Have you heard of laughter yoga?
Oh, I am a certified laughter yoga instructor.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
I was introduced to it at a 3 days light gathering, and I saw these people go through this process where, they looked at the facilitator and they're like, this guy is a little weird, but we'll do it anyhow. And they started with that.
Yeah, fake.
And then they looked at each other, and then within literally less than a minute, probably less than a minute and a half, they were rolling, laughing, and it was. And then I started finding out the science of it and how, the endorphins, like when you laugh and what it does to your heart, and what it does to bring oxygen into your body. That it literally is. Laughter is the best medicine.
It truly is.
That's incredible. How did you get into laughter yoga?
When I was in ministerial school, myself and two of my friends went to Chicago. We heard about it. I saw a book about it.